County Teens Death Spurs Federal Language Proficiency Bill. The St. Johns County Commission is taking action to support a proposed federal law aimed at improving roadway safety. On Tuesday, commissioners voted to send a letter to Washington, D.C. in support of Connor's Law, a bill that would permanently require truck drivers to pass an English language proficiency test to obtain a commercial driver's license. The law is named after Connor Dzion, an 18-year-old Creekside High School graduate who was killed in 2017 in a crash on I-95. He was struck while sitting in stopped traffic by a semi-truck driver who investigators say couldn't understand road signs warning of the backup. Please don't let one more mother have to bury her 18-year-old son, said Melissa Dzion, Connor's mother, who spoke before the board. Federal law already requires basic English proficiency for truck drivers, but a Trump-era executive order added a formal test. That's what Connor's Law, sponsored by Rep. David Taylor of Ohio and Rep. Harriet Hagman of Wyoming, seems to make permanent through legislation. Commissioner Christian Whitehurst voiced strong support for the bill, emphasizing that it's not about immigration, but about safety on the road. You've got to be able to read these digital signs in order for us all to be safe, he said. The county's letter of support will be sent to members of Congress, including the bill's sponsors, as part of a push to fast-track Connor's Law into federal law. I think this is good work. I think they're doing a good thing.
I think so. And it's not, that they're targeting foreign drivers or anything like that. All they're saying is we want you to know the basics so that you keep everyone safe around you and yourself. I mean, it's, unfortunately, it was a local high school who lost his life, which is absolutely horrible. Yeah. But, it also keeps the drivers safe if they can't read what's going on. I mean, it's so I'm sure some enemies against this bill are saying, oh, it's being prejudiced or something like that.
One of the phobias or whatever.
No, it's not. It's not at all. It's we're just trying to keep them safe and everyone in their surroundings safe. So I like this one.
Yeah, I agree. Good work, commissioners. We like this one. All right, gas